Good morning, everyone. This is the fifth part of the chapter Role of the Parliament. In the previous video, we have discussed about how lawmaking is being done in our country, where the proposal to pass a new law or change an existing one is called a bill. And when it is being presented by minister, it is considered as government bill, and when introduced by a private member is considered as private member bill. Further, it can be classified into two, money bill and ordinary bill, on the basis of its subject. Today we are going to learn about how does an ordinary bill become an act. So we need to follow some steps for it. Firstly, it has been introduced in either of the houses of the parliament, which is also considered as the first reading, where it is being read first time in the parliament. Fine. Secondly, when the second reading is been done, there certain detailed discussions on the bill take place amongst the MPs and suitable changes are suggested. So this is being done second time. And then the third process is of the voting, or you can say the third reading, where it is being again drafted with suitable changes and put to vote. Then the voting is being done, and then it is being passed to the second house. Fine. So when it is being sent to the second house, where it goes through the same process, means first reading hoegi, again second reading hoegi, and then voting is being done. पर हाउस माइट रिटर्न द बिल विद सजेशंस. तो ये पहले वाले हाउस को वापस से रिटर्न भी कर सकते हैं विद सजेशंस, बट ईदर दे कैन पास ऑल्सो, और माइट बी द कन्फ्यूजन इज देयर, either to say yes, pass, or either to say no or to reject. In such cases, in such a case of a deadlock यानी कि tie जब हो जाता है, the president summons a joint session of the two houses. So both the houses sit together to take the final decision. And when it is being done, it is being sent for the president consent. A president signs the bill upon which it becomes an act. अगर साइन कर दिया तो ये एक्ट बन जाएगा. But the president may send the bill back to the parliament for reconsideration. And अगर president को उसमें कुछ doubts हैं तो he or she can send that bill again to the parliament or to the houses to reconsider it. If passed again by the houses, it returned to the president and he or she must sign it. So this is the process which is being followed. For example, you can say Parliament enacted the Right to Information Bill in 2005, which received the President consent on 15th June 2005. This act was notified in the official gazette on 21st June 2005. This was achieved after a long struggle by the people. Fine. Now let's talk about the controversial laws. What do you mean by controversial laws? A controversial law is a law that the general public finds unacceptable even after the parliament has passed it. और ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because they feel that the idea behind it is unfair and harmful to a particular section of the society. In the cases of such laws, the public can bring them to the notice of the parliament. और कैसे लाया जाता है parliament के notice में? By writing about it in the newspapers, reporting it to the TV news channels, holding public meetings, writing about it to the concerned ministry, right? Or finally approaching to the judiciary. They can put pressure on the parliament to change it, right? They can directly approach, they can even approach to the Supreme Court, right? In some cases, they were also successful in bringing about the changes in these laws. Thus, the citizens plays an important role in making the parliament function properly and successfully. Thank you so much. This is all about the chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to you all.